We haven't managed to pull off in the green, 75 points low on the Nifty futures. That's how we're shining sharp and just about defending that 19,300 print. Let's see post-adjustment where we actually make it to. So 19,318 to be precise on the Nifty futures. Sectorally, of course, while the infra names have held out well thanks to all the contribution coming in from the Adani names, as have done autos, but technology, power, financials, telecom, cap goods, metals, pharmaceutical, oil and gas, they've all been a pack of red. Couple of the newsmakers, and it's important to mark them. So while Adani Enterprises, Adani Powers were some of the biggest performers today, Adani Enterprises, wherein their arm, Mundra Solar Energy, has got the COD certificate for the solar PV manufacturing plant, and Adani Power as well, wherein Abu Dhabi National Energy Company seemed to have acquired a stake in the company. That is what newspaper reports were indicating, but both parties have strongly denied this particular news story. LTI Mindtree and Aflac has selected the company as its digital transformation partner. So that's another stock which was in focus. There was Bata as well, wherein the commentary came from Bata just last evening that they continue to explore strategic partnerships. This is, of course, pertaining to all the buzz doing the rounds, that of a tie-up with Bata and Adidas. Bata actually lost ground after that big move on the stock yesterday, closed in lower by about 0.5% or so. Then, of course, there was a Jain Irrigation. South Indian Bank has been a big mover today after RBI's nod to appoint P.R. Seshadri for a term of 3 years as the MD and CEO. That is one stock which, of course, held out. Indus Towers, Page Industries, remember they're going to be excluded from the Nifty Next 50 from September 29th, the end of this month, that is. So that stock is going to be, those two stocks were under pressure. There was also ACC, Nykaa, HDFC, AMC. Although ACC was a mover, I want to see what's happening with HDFC, AMC and then Nykaa, because they too are going to be excluded from the Nifty Next 50 come month end, or September 29th to be precise. So these are a bunch of stocks which were in focus, closing in at 132 only for Nykaa, and that's a downtick of about 0.7% coming in. A bunch of other names actually which were in focus today. So Sula, for instance, there was NLC. Then, of course, there was the new listing as well, which had a very, very strong debut. We will bring up that stock price as well for you. Sula, of course, the August 12th to 14th weekend has seen the highest ever revenue for them, in excess of 2 odd crore rupees that they have seen, and that's Concord Biotech closing in with a 27.5% uptick to its issue price. But that's it, done for the week. On adjustment basis, by the way, it's been a sub 19,300 close that we've seen. So let's see what next week has in store for us. For now, it's a goodbye on this edition of Closing Trades.